In this room, there is an issue with floor. The problem is especially noticeable in the far corner of the room. In this video, I will show you how to fix this issue. Step 1: Diagnosis and setting the desired floor level. Determine how much the floor is out of level and set the desired floor level. Take a long wooden plank and plot vertical mark in approximately 30 centimeters intervals. Smaller the intervals better, but it means more work, so find a reasonable compromise. Number each mark. Level the bar and determine the new floor level. At this stage, it should look something like this. Step 2. Measure the difference between the desired floor level and the current floor level. We want to get distance C for every marked point along the bar. It is, however, more practical to measure distance A and subtract width of the wooden plank B to get our C dimension. After a bit of measurement and subtraction, we get distances between the lower edge of the bar and the floor. Step 3. Make a long wooden shim to level the floor. Mark dimension C on the wooden plank for all intervals and draw a line along the wooden plank. This is how it shall look like at this stage. Use a jigsaw or circular saw to create a long wooden shim to level the floor. Thank you for watching this floor leveling tutorial. If you like this video, please click the like button and subscribe to my Discolopi channel. Thanks and have a great day. If you want more videos with practical tutorials like this one, subscribe to this Discolopi YouTube channel, and Discolopi channel will be the greatest YouTube channel of all time. I'm not kidding. It took me a lot of time to make this video. Probably more than to level the floor in this fucking room, so please subscribe to this channel. Discolopi.